You know, a little something. Hey yo, Ken, the strip looking like the Gaza. Taliban's and caravans picking up rosters. Little man's round 13 running with choppers. Looking for the nigga that just bodied his father. Like damn, now with a motherfucking general. His bitch going nuts, she says she like my fucking genitals. Just listen up, I don't walk around genial. The shotty spot mixing body parts like some chemicals. I'm still looking for the nigga that killed Chunk. I peeled chunks, put his body parts in the steel trunk. And I don't care if his mans is looking, cause if it's beef, I got heat. I'm leaving him cooking the pots of the white girl, and I'm giving her whoopings over the stove, blowing O's with purple cushion. You and you is better off just keeping it pushing, cause you could get knocked off like you President Bushin', or somebody getting fired from work. But not me, not I, man, my 5 years work. I got guns that I really lift you higher than skirts, and how you like it if the face be a part of your shirt, huh? And when I talk about the bodies, I get flashbacks. Look across the room, see my strap, tell them pass that. Put it to the niggas that be talking out his ass crack. 24 y'all from the store, I put them past that. Damn, so you know I'm on serious. Leave a hole in the pussy bleeding, period. These monkeys get clips if these monkeys act curious. I treat them like paper when I'm airing it, tearing it. I leave his body in the water with sodium. Shots from chromium causing a pandemonium. I'm on these niggas' ass like a dog that came home with them. And bang on these niggas like I'm on the fucking phone with them. Damn. So holla at Squalor. You know me, Marley, boy, I'm all about $1. Stop talking, chop the screw for Marley, come and chop. You ain't no Harley signing like blocker, 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 blocker. Been on fucking coppers. What you gonna do when your body marked up, chalked up on the news? I just run up on your crew, me and my tool. Tell you keep it cool, fall back, don't move, don't move. Little man's got the semi-22, don't try. Me and I got the semi-45, no lie, we ride, sorta like the bus do. Guaranteed to shine like the wheels on the truck do. Damn, and I'm a fly motherfucker. My pops and my mother. You can never catch me slipping in the gutter, cause my goons give out wounds and you don't know who touched you, a buster. I'm known as the beast of all beasts with the heat. I'm arm reach as long as my arms beat. I'm sitting in rails as long as a whole week. If it's not 100 mil, I should shut you, shouldn't speak. Neck on chill, hold those bills, oh so real. Chillin' on my photos pill, got no will, I emotion. He potent and I don't give a fuck how you homos feel. So chill for a double spot, leave him in the fucking dark. Having kids running around with toys in the fucking park. I'm like Mills, where these niggas at? I'ma put a bullet in they brain thinking cat. Blah. Fuck niggas. Better stop playing with me, man. It's crunch time, man. It's game over, man. Fuck y'all niggas doing. Get money. Fuck bitches. Yeah.